today we'll talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Plato app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above here your photo profile, just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here in this sign on your photo profile. So when you just click on it here, it's going to show for you less like this. When you click in this sign, in here can you check photo, or here choose it, or choose photo from your gallery here, and here can you change here from. So that's all you have to do to add or change your photo profile. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.